Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an income tax vacancy. First, you'll need to thoroughly understand the specific eligibility requirements for the role you're interested in. Next, gather all necessary documents, such as your updated resume, academic transcripts, and any required certifications. Finally, actively search for open positions on official government job portals or the relevant tax department's website to find suitable opportunities. Once you've identified a suitable vacancy, the next step is to meticulously complete the online application form. Ensure all sections are filled out precisely and truthfully. It's crucial to submit your application well before the stated deadline to avoid any last-minute issues. After submission, begin preparing for any potential selection stages, which might include written examinations or structured interviews. For your application, make sure your resume clearly showcases your relevant skills, experience, and any achievements pertinent to an income tax role. You'll also need official copies of all your academic qualifications and professional certifications. Additionally, dedicate time to practicing common interview questions, especially those related to government service, tax regulations, and ethical considerations, to feel confident. Before finalizing your submission, always double-check every piece of information for accuracy and completeness. A small error could impact your application. If the process allows, consider following up on your application status after a reasonable period. Finally, networking with professionals already in the income tax field can provide valuable insights and potentially open doors to future opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.